In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add locations via integrations on Booksy using platforms like Calendly Maps and Google Maps. Whether you're a business owner wanting to enhance your client experience or someone just trying to streamline location settings, this guide is designed to walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to the Booksy business website. You'll want to open your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Booksy's business site. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the login option. This is your portal into managing your business settings, so go ahead and click on it to proceed. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the business settings icon. Usually represented as a gear icon, it's your gateway to configuring all important business-related details. Click on that gear icon, which will open up a variety of settings for your endeavor. You'll find many options here, but for our purpose, we will focus on business details, so search for it in the menu. Now click on business details. This section allows you to update key information that both drives and enhances client interactions with your platform. Under business details, you should see a section titled Location and Mobile Services. This is critical as it's where we'll be establishing our location settings. Click on Location and Mobile Services to access the next screen, where you'll look for an Edit button. If you plan on integrating with Google Maps or any similar service, this is the place to make those changes. Clicking Edit will open up various fields in which you can input or modify your location details. Take care to enter accurate and updated information, as this will directly affect how clients find your business. Don't forget to hit Save once you're satisfied with the changes. After saving, it's crucial to double-check how these updates look on your public profile. For this, look for the profile icon, typically situated in the left sidebar of your screen, and click on it. Once in your profile, find the eye icon, a symbol that represents the ability to preview public-facing information. Click on the eye icon to preview your booking page. This allows you to see exactly what your clients will see when they visit your booking page. Providing a Google Maps pin and directions to your shop is an effective way to enhance client satisfaction and ease navigation. Make sure everything looks perfect here. It's the final touch for ensuring that clients booking through your profile can conveniently access your location data, leading to a better overall service experience. And that's it! You've successfully added locations via integrations on Booksy using platforms like Calendly Maps and Google Maps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your business's location services.